What's up, guys? Welcome back, welcome back. We will grill fish today and we will have mukbang. Do you know what is that mukbang? It's a vlog, huh?
No.
No? It's a vlog about eating, and today we will eat fresh grilled fish. So let's go grill fish. You don't like? If I knew you will eat everything. You're always like that.
Go, just Mimi. Go. Go. You scared the dog? Go right here.
Look at the Chinese ferry there. So windy here. Look how I do it! Look how I do it! Look how I do it!
So big. I don't want to touch it.
It's without. Watch how I do it! Watch how I do it! Okay, so this is our fish, guys. It's going to be very delicious.
What did you do with this fish?
I just put salt. I just take out all the intestine inside, the gills here. Just clean everything inside and then I put salt for marinate. And then it's ready for grilling. And then later I will make some sauce. And we will have fish mukbang. This is one thing that I will miss if we go somewhere. I will miss about our place. It's just so near the ocean and we can just grill fish anytime we want. Oh! What about you?
I don't
Will
know.
not miss?
We'll see. Time will show.
Name of this fish is, I don't know in English, but in Bisaya it's called ihalason. It's called ihalason. And it's cheap. It's just 160 per kilo. Cook, guys, look. Smells so good. I'm so excited to eat. Are you excited to eat, Dima, are you excited?
Yeah.
Our charcoal is not enough. But it's okay. So let's eat. Let's eat, guys. Mimi is also hungry. Mimi. Only bones for you.
But
We have our sauce with
for Mimi crabs.
onions, spring onions, and calamansi with soy sauce. This fish. It smells so good. And I will eat using my hands because I'm a Filipino. I'll just do
This
like
is
that.
for Mimi.
So delicious. Where's our ASMR?
What do you mean?
ASMR. Sound. This is my second fish. I will eat 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's for me. Everything is for me. Look at my tummy, it's so big. After 2 fishes and 1 sack of rice. Oh, I'm so full.
Again, need something.
Why you eat that part? Don't eat that part near tummy because
By
it
accident.
doesn't smell. Okay. That's our mukbang for today. Fresh fish. I'm so full now.
Mimi.
What about you?
Only Mimi, not full, never. She
Give
already,
this to Mimi.
she already not eat.
I only eat 2 fish. And you also 2. You still have 3. It's for dinner.
It's Mimi for next time.
Bye bye, guys.
Bye
We're
bye.
done. I'm so full and I will sleep now. I'm like a pig. I sleep after I eat.
Yes. Write comment.
Right comment.
Do you like my haircut now? It's without haircut.
It's without haircut. Do you like my haircut? It's without haircut.
This is
What a nice joke.
This is new hair.
It's like Korean. Korean haircut. You want?
Hmm?
You want a Korean haircut?
I already have.
This
Okay.
banana is so sweet. Okay. Paka paka. See you next time.